Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you a website that I've been buying my stuff from. So if you're interested in making your own skincare, if you want to make your own soaps and all that, this website is great and they ship internationally as well. I'm talking about the Soapery. They have basically everything. So as you can see, they have liquid oils, which are usually the carrier oils. They have avocado oil, they have carrot oil, they have Africa oil, name it. Every carrier oil, they've got it. They also have the solid oils, that's usually the butters. They have coconut oil, they have cocoa butter, they have shea butter. They've also got mango butter. They also have essential oils, and they've got colors for soap making and skincare. They have soap bases and all that, and I must say most of their things are natural, organic, and the very good thing about it is that this is very affordable. If you buy from their website, it's very cheap as compared to Amazon. It is 2 times the price on Amazon. So I'm just going to show you the things I got. So as you can see, it came in this very big box, and I must say they do deliver on time. This took about 3 days to get to me, and as you can see, it's very well packed. There's been no leaking whatsoever. So I got here some shea butter. This is 1 kilogram of shea butter. I've also got some castor oil. This is 1 liter. I love castor oil on my skin and in my hair. I also got an essential oil. This is Lavender Essential Oil. It's a 10 ml. And I've got here some cocoa butter. This is 1 kilogram, and I really love the smell. It smells just like chocolate. Finally, I got some African black soap base, and this is a 1 kilogram as well. So this is a melt and pour soap base. So I would love to check if it's the right weight, and I'll start with the soap. So as you can see, it's perfect. It's more than 1 kilogram. We have here the shea butter, and it's more than 1 kilogram as well. Then this is the cocoa butter, and it's checked. So this is the castor oil, and this is a lot of castor oil. Like 1 liter is so much, because as you know, castor oil is so thick and you just need a very pea amount. It spreads very easy on the skin. As you can see from their website, it's 6.99 pounds, and from Amazon is 15.99 euros, which is about 12.99 pounds, and that is a lot of difference. This is the shea butter. This is unrefined. It's very creamy, and it spreads so easily on the skin. So on Amazon, a 1 kilogram of unrefined shea butter is 16.49 euros, and from the website is a 9.49 pounds, which is about 11 to 12 euros. Next, I've got here the cocoa butter, and I must say I just can't get over the smell of this cocoa butter. This can be used for chocolates, it can be used for the skin, and it can be used for the hair. So as you can see, 1 kilogram of cocoa butter costs 20.49 on Amazon, and on their website this is a 12.75, which is about 15 or 14 euros. You've got a lot of saving over there. So this is the African black soap melt and pour soap base. This is a 1 kilogram, and as you can see, it is round in nature, but I must say it's kind of translucent. It is very hard, and you just cut a little piece, melt it up, mix it with the colors and whatever you want, and you can use it as your everyday soap. So on Amazon, this soap base costs 13.49 euros, and from their website this is 7.45 pounds, which is about 9 euros. So guys, you're saving lots and lots of money. I must say this smells like soap, so you need to add some fragrances and all that. I usually love to add some, lavender or rose essential oil, and I do. Finally, we have the lavender essential oil. I did get this in a 10 ml because I have other essential oils, and on Amazon this costs 13.85 euros. That is 100 ml, and from their website you're gonna get it for 7.99, so you are still saving lots of money. So this essential oil is very strong, so you need a few drops. Okay guys, so this is it. You can check them out if you're interested. If you want to make your own skincare, if you want to make your own soap and all that, you can check them out. They have so many things over there. And the good thing about it is the fact that it's so affordable as compared to same products on the market. And I must say, they do not compromise the quality. This is of very high quality. So this is it guys. I hope you did like it. If you give it a try or if you buy from them, let me know in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.